y'all, it's Stacy with SouthernBite.com. I'm in the kitchen today with my friends from Tony's Sasheries because we're making my spicy Creole black-eyed peas. Let's get started. To begin, we're going to pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large Dutch oven over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, we're going to add in 1 sweet onion that's been finely diced. Cook that for 3 to 5 minutes or until the onion is translucent. Then add 2 cloves of garlic that have been minced and cook for about a minute or until it's fragrant. Next, we're going to add 5 cups of chicken broth, and 1 cup of Tony Sasheries Bloody Mary mix. Now this ingredient is optional, but I highly recommend it. If you choose not to use the Bloody Mary mix, you'll want to add 1 additional cup of chicken broth. To our mixture, we're going to add 1 10-ounce can of diced tomatoes with chilies and our ham hock. Then we're going to add our black-eyed peas once they've been rinsed and sorted. Next, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Tony Sasheries Original Creole seasoning. Then we're just going to stir that up. We're going to bring it to a boil, reduce the heat to a simmer, cover, and let it cook. You'll want to let this cook, stirring occasionally for an hour to an hour and a half or until the peas are tender. And there you have it, my spicy Creole black-eyed peas. Be sure to click over to SouthernBite.com for this full recipe. Y'all enjoy!